Beer Bros.
This is the Clamour and the Clangour. A Berliner Weisse style ale with blackberry added. Let's see how much. 4.5% alcohol.
Big bottle.
Yeah, it is a big bottle. That's why I went with it. I was like, ooh, that looks nice.
That's first.
This is the one. This is clearly the one.
There you go, man.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Stop this. Just crack it open. All right. Whoops.
So
Okay, so about that much.
I'm not even a social drinker. As a reminder to people, I kind of just beer bros. If I'm out, eat a steak or something. Steven, as a reminder, what kind of drinker are you?
Oh yeah, I'm top-notch drinker. I'll drink anybody underneath the table, or the most, or at least I'll hang with them. But for the most part, yeah, I'll be drinking.
How about yourself? What kind of drinker are you?
I mean, if you've been to my live stream, you already know I will mess with beers. I will mess with the mixed drinks, vodka. I'm a gin man myself, but I always get down on the beers as well. Yeah.
I know you're telling me Hennessy.
What
there you go.
What kind of drinker are you in general? Like how much?
Yeah. Oh no, I am totally a binge drinker. I'm not gonna lie. I only drink like 2 days a week, but when I pop, when I crack it open, it's on.
All right, cheers, fellas.
Cheers.
Right.
Hold on, we got a little.
Smell this here.
That's nice.
Smell beer.
Oh really? No, it's got a
fruit.
nice. Yeah, I can smell the
smell the
fruitiness
fruit.
in it.
What kind of fruit was it?
It was blackberry, I want to say. Blackberry.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
I don't really smell
It's got a nice little color to it.
They jumping in there too.
Ooh.
That's sour to them up, boy. That's just say clan sour.
Like that should really read. What it should read is heartburn. Clangour is.
I just say clan sour. That's sour to them up.
I should have brought Tums.
Makes my mouth water when I drink it.
Yeah, no, I am also getting that. Here's the deal, though. I throw this down.
Yeah, you know what? But think about it though. The more and more you drink this right here, when you get down to about right here, you know the feeling of when you actually yak off a beer or something with some little fruit. This kind of has a little yakkish taste to it. Like it came back up, like it's in your mouth. Well, that's what that tastes like.
I really don't taste the blackberry, man. I swear.
Not no more. I smelled it.
Maybe because I ate
Hey, it's stuff floating around in here. That's a blackberry?
They're straight up like little.
There's
There's definitely residue.
Okay, to tell the truth though, I could drink this
Sip it.
for a while.
You can sip it.
It's not hurting. I don't think it's gonna give me a headache.
It's gonna give me heartburn.
It might do that, especially with the mouth watering. But I could drink this.
Yeah.
I can't say no flavor though. Beer is beer to me, I guess.
Nah, this
Doesn't even taste like beer. Yeah.
I don't know.
This don't taste like
I
no
don't
beer.
taste blackberry.
This is something. Yeah. This
could
is
get-
almost like. I feel like it's almost on the borderline, kind of like cider. You know what I mean? It's
Like
kind of
pear
borderline.
ciders with- Yeah, because when you pair that with it, it usually takes away the beer taste,
Right.
and the acidic.
Right. Although there's some
carbonation.
ciders of that because I like the carbonation and sometimes they're a little sweeter.
Yeah, you know
Like
what?
this.
Every time you sip it, that's some more and more like heartburn. Like it, and now I can actually taste the same.
That's what I'm saying. I could drink a lot of this. I mean, stop.
See, he's
It's all gone.
Yep. No, don't mind.
I might drink it later though.
Yeah.
Front.
Yeah, that's legit.
I'm
I
middle
drink
right.
it.
You drinking this at? What's the setting?
That to me is a daytime beer.
Okay.
I could drink it during the day, you know what I mean, maybe mid-afternoon or something like that. I'd be okay with it. Kickstart a night off.
Good.
I would say that's more of a barbecue beer.
don't know,
You
man.
outside and you need to hydrate. You can't drink the regular beer. The coldness probably you could probably put ice in there and it won't alter the taste.
I'm not drinking that with food though. Personally, if I'm drinking that, I'm just standing
yeah,
in the
you're
corner
right.
somewhere kicking it.
If you
With
already
music playing, maybe. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm at the Mexican party like this.
yeah, chilling. But you know what though?
I'm not eating.
That tastes like it only has 4.5% alcohol.
Yep, 100%.
Don't seem like they ever get you drunk.
Yep.
Ever. We be drinking that shit all day. Heartburn kick in, you're
I
gonna
knew
stop drinking or you're gonna yak.
I knew that.
No, I'd mess with that.
We are not pros, just bros. Beer Bros.